Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today is all about the comparison between Ulanzi here and we're having Fifine here. So this is a Ulanzi WM10 and this is a Fifine M6. We're gonna do a comparison between these two mics, which is most capable and which can offer you much amazing kind of throughout down the line, because both of these kind of microphones, they're so budget friendly, and what you're looking for throughout smartphone shooting is all about a good quality of your microphone and a good quality throughout your video production. Because if your video production is good, then you don't have a good mic, that means you really need to consider buying a good microphone. So these kind of microphones of today, we're going to be doing a good comparison between them, and we see which is the top tier between both of them. So enough of me talking, let's get started. I'm gonna be starting with Ulanzi WM10. First thing first, you just have to see it, how it is. I understand we reviewed this kind of bad boy before, but it seems to be really great. So this is how Ulanzi WM10 it is. Now on the other hand, throughout the Fifine kind of microphone, let us just check it out how it is, because Fifine, they have an amazing kind of packaging too, and they consider having even the cable on it, which is really amazing. So I'm going to keep my cable over here, and I'm going to keep my microphone somewhere here, and this is the receiver. I'm going to keep it somewhere here. So there we go. So we are done here. As you can spot it, this is our Ulanzi WM10. It's the Fifine M6 and the receiver here. Now you might be asking yourself why Ulanzi does not have the receiver on here. So the receiver is somewhere here, hidden underneath, and it seems to be really great. So both of these kind of microphone offers you an amazing kind of sound depending on you which you prefer mostly, but all of them, they have their own kind of downside, and all of them, they offer you an amazing features which they have. So we're going to be exploring between these two bad boys here and see which is which between Fifine M6 and Ulanzi WM10. So enough of me talking, let's get started. To Ulanzi WM10, what it offers you, it's all about the microphone and its kind of receiver going somewhere here. Now throughout here, this kind of microphone, it's such an amazing, first of all, the way they kept it, and this kind of windshield, you can just remove it, so you have both separate. So it does not come with the USB Type-C. Consider the Fifine kind of mic, which you're going to be checking it out too, and this kind of mic, it seems to be really compact when it comes to form factor, and really nice throat clipping. So you have no worries throat clipping it. If you have a jacket or something, you can just clip it very easier, and it's really nice whenever you're just speaking directly throughout here, just in handy. It's like not considering that this kind of microphone will be so much smaller like the DJI Mic Mini here, but it's quite bigger, so you can hold it and speak just like you're having your handheld kind of microphone. So it's kind of crazy, but it's something which you have just to consider. So throughout the Fifine mic, this is the Fifine mic M6, and what it has, this is the receiver, this is your microphone. Now throughout here, the form factor is actually not bad. As you can see it here, it's really nice. It has its own kind of clipping here, though it's not bigger. I wish it could be having the same form factor as how Ulanzi it is, but it's a little bit different throughout clipping. And not only that, throughout the form factor, this is a little bit more bulky compared to the mic from Ulanzi. This is a little bit slim in size, this is a little bit thicker, but compared to the shortness, this one is actually shorter compared to Ulanzi, is quite longer. So I think the M6 throughout Fifine is actually not bad. It's good, and if you remove the windshield, this is how it looks. Not bad. And yeah, guys, let's say you're shooting outside, this is how much the sound quality is gonna be. Right now I'm outside, and it seems to be really great throughout the Fifine kind of microphone. It's picking up really decent, and I kind of like the audio throughout it. It's something which I can say is such a bad kind of microphone or a bad investment, but it's so much great throughout the sound quality. The sound quality of it does not have a noise reduction, but it has one thing which is so great, a mute button. So when you press it was on mute when it turns red. But overall, it's such an amazing kind of microphone from Fifine, and this is my audio quality when you are outdoor. But when you're clipping it, as you can see, I'm having trouble throughout keeping it stable on my t-shirt. So I just have to, just clip it somewhere. If it could be having a good handler like Ulanzi, it's going to be really, really great. But overall, this is my audio quality, how much is picking up directly on the Fifine M6 microphone. So guys, this is the Ulanzi WM10 microphone, how much is picking up on your outdoor. It's really, really great. It's really, really amazing when it comes to picking up on the audio file, and it's really, really dope. Now, when it comes to clipping on your t-shirt, how does it feel? It feels really great, as you can spot it here. It's really, really good when it comes to clipping on your t-shirt. And to the Fifine microphone, it was a little bit crazy throughout clipping on. So I find the Fifine microphone, it's good whenever you just hold it and speak throughout your video or you're talking headshot, but sometimes you just need to clip on your microphone so as you can have better quality. So this is the Ulanzi microphone WM10, how much is picking up, and I hope you guys enjoyed throughout this kind of audio, and I'm outdoor. So yeah. So guys, both of these microphones, they perform really well. On the other hand, the WM10, when it comes to range, it offers you only 10 meters, but the Fifine goes up to 15 meters, which is really, really insane. But throughout both of them, which can be considered a good microphone? Well, I can say Fifine won throughout the listing. But throughout the form factor, Fifine is a little bit different. Even though the microphone looks really great, but I can say on the clipping side, I just don't like it. I wish it could be having a clipping like Ulanzi one, which it has. It's really, really amazing. The clipping throughout Ulanzi comes really in handy. You just, clip it throughout there, which is really amazing. It holds throughout your clothes perfectly. But when it comes to functionality, I can say the audio quality on the Fifine, it's actually really great. Even if you're outside through shooting, there is windy and stuff like that, Fifine is actually picking up really fine. But throughout WM10 too, it does the same thing. The only downside between both of them is like this one has more spicy, this one has less spicy if it was food. But both of them, they test this a little bit closer the same. And on the other hand, the Ulanzi one has more ingredient in terms of noise reduction. If you're looking forward throughout the microphone which has more noise reduction, portable one and budget friendly, I think the WM10 it's really good. So guys, thank you for watching. This is the Fifine and Ulanzi WM10 and the Fifine M6 microphone comparison. To be honest, if you're looking forward to buy this kind of microphone, I can say both of them, they're really good. One has a noise reduction, the other one has no noise reduction. And something which you have to consider throughout this kind of microphone is all about the sound quality. It's all about how they perform. They're really good, and range. So if you're looking throughout range, Fifine offers you much better range compared to Ulanzi. In terms of battery use, they're almost the same throughout 5 to 6 hours. So it's nothing to think about like, okay, this is a bummer, but still the microphone, they're really, really great. So that's what's up. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Ulanzi and the Fifine microphone, and we wrap it up. So drop your comments on the comment section, and it will be really, really amazing. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. I really, really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm going to be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.